Welcome to my channel Maths SL. I'm going to show you grade 9 statistics. Another name is data handling, mean, median, mode and range, how to solve. So I'm going to show you odd number value. I'm going to show you how to determine the mean, median, mode and range, odd number values and even number values. So I choose two data sets. So first is odd numbers and the second is even number. So to calculate the statistics for the first data set, order the data set. So order the data from least to greatest, ascending order from small to big. So this is the given data, 17 values. And for the mean, you don't need to order the data set, but median, mode and range, you need to order the data set. Obviously, we need to find the mean, median, mode and range. So first of all, we can order the data set. But for the mean, you don't need. So the step one, order the data set from small to big. So first of all, I order the data set small to big. Now the total number of data points is n, which is 17, and odd numbers. Now we need to determine the mean. So must remember, these are, we denote, well, these all are x values. So now we need to find the mean. Sum of all values divided by the number of values. So number of values are 17, and now we need to sum of all the values. So the mean is equal to sum of all values divided by the number of values. So the number of values are 17, and now we need to sum of all values, 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 15 plus 15, so on till last plus 27. Use the calculator, and that will be 280. Now divided by the number of values, they are 17. The answer will be 16,47. This is the mean of the data set. Now I'm going to show you how to determine the median. The median is the middle value, is an ordered data set. Since n is equal to 17, must remember these total numbers, they are 17. N is equal to 17. Don't forget this one. Now, so I'm going to show you two methods. The first method, you need to find the position of the median. And the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. So the total number is 17 plus 1 divided by 2, and that will give me 9. So which means the ninth value is the median value. So we count here. We're going to start looking from here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is 16. So this is my median. Therefore the median is 16. This is my final answer. Second method I'll show you now. Now according to second method, there are 17 values, which mean 8 left hand side, 8 right hand side. So there are 17 values, which mean 8 left hand side and 8 on the right hand side, and 1 gonna be in the middle. And if you got 15 values, which means 7 left hand side, 7 right hand side, 1 in the middle. So if you got 13 value, so which means 6 left hand side, 6 right hand side, and 1 in the middle. And for argument's sake, you got 9 values now. So 4 left, 4 right, and 1 in the middle. So we're gonna use this method. So now we need to count first 8 value. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That will be till here. Now we count right hand side 8 value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the 8 left hand side I count, 8 right hand side, in the middle we got 16. So therefore the median is 16. Either way answer is same. You can choose any method. Now we need to determine the mode. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in the data set, most often. So the value 16 appears 4 times, so which is more than the any another value. So the mode is 16. You can see the 1 2 3 4 times. So therefore mode is 16. Most often value is mode, so this is 16. Now we need to determine the range. The range is the difference between the maximum and minimum values in the data set. So the range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. So the maximum value we got 27 minus minimum value we got 11. So my answer is 16. So the range is 16. Now I'm going to show you the second question. So this is the second question. There are 12 values, even number values. So now I'm going to show you how to solve the mean median mode on even numbers. So first of all, this is how they ask the question in exam. I took the exam question. So these are the data set, and the first need to calculate the median. So first of all, order the data set from least to greatest, small to big. Now determine the median. So first of all, order the data from least to greatest, small to big. So now determine the median. So the n is equal to 12, which means even number. Must remember n is equal to 12, which means this is an even number. Né? Now how to solve this one? So first method, position of median. So the total number we got 12, and inside you add 1 and then you divide by 2. The answer will be 6,5. So which means, so we're looking the now 6,5, where is gonna fall? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is 6, but comma 5 is gonna be next value because it's in comma now. So that is 22. So we got two values now. So two values. So we're gonna add. If you find two value in the middle, so then you must add divide by 2. Another word, if you don't find the whole number, so then you have obviously gonna be two value in the middle, then you must add. So if it was 6, then it's gonna be 21, but now 6,5. So that's why we have to add two values, 21 plus 22. Whenever you find in the comma, so which means it's gonna be two values. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sixth value is 21, but the comma 5, that's gonna fall over to the next value, which is 22 now. So the 21 plus 22, if you see two values in the middle, then you must add and divide by 2. So median gonna be this time now 21 plus 22 divided by 2. That will give me 43 divided by 2. The answer is 21,5. So this is the median, is my final answer. I'll show you second method also. Must remember, if they give you data in order set, then you don't need to order from small to big. Now second method, these are the 12 values obviously now. So the left, middle and the right. So these are the 12 values. So which mean 5 left and the 5 right, 2 gonna be in the middle. If you find 2 in the middle, you must add divided by 2. So if you got 10 values, then which means 4 left, 4 right, 2 in the middle. If you got 8 values, 3 left, 3 right, 2 in the middle. So if you got 14 value, 6 left, 6 right, 2 in the middle. So that's how you do even number median. Now I'll show you this method. So we got 12 values, so which means left 5, right 5, in the middle must be 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 right. So we got 2 in the middle. So this is good. Therefore, the median gonna be 2 value in the middle. So you have to add and divide by 2. So the answer will be 43 over 2 is equal to 21,5. Same answer. So you can choose first method or this method. One of these methods you need to choose, or the first one or this one. I think so this is more easy. Now we need to determine the mode. The mode is most often value that appears most frequently. The value 22 appears twice, which is more than any other value. So this is going to be a mode 22. Mode is 22. Now we need to determine the mean. So the mean, that's the easy one. Sum of all values divided by the number of values. So we're gonna 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 16 plus 18, like this. 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus so on till plus 33, and divide by number of values, which we got 12. So this is going to be 245 divided by 12. The answer will be 20,42. So this is my final answer. Now we need to determine the range. This is my favorite topic, statistics. I'm an expert of statistics because I studied statistics in graduation, and I like statistics. There's a great future of statistics, so you can become statistician. We need a lot of statistician in South Africa. Right, determine the range. So range, maximum value minus the minimum value. Range, maximum value minus minimum value. So the maximum we got 33, minus minimum we got 9. So the answer is 24. So this is my final answer. Must remember, only the values will be changed, but the method is exactly the same. So I showed you both even number and the odd number, how to find the mean, median, mode and range. Here are some more questions for practice. The data set below gives the heights in centimeter of seedlings 6 weeks after germinating. So this is the data set. The first, calculate the mean, median and mode, and the B part is range. I'll show you how to solve this question. So need to calculate the mean. So when you need to calculate the mean, then you don't need to rearrange the data. So now, so mean is equal to all of the value, sum of all the values. The mean is the sum of all values divided by the number of values. So the number of values we got 14, and so sum of all the values, I use my calculator. The answer is 470 divided by 14. The answer will be 33,57 centimeter. So this is my answer. 29 plus 39 plus 38, so on till 36. My answer is 470, and I divide by 14. So this is my final answer. Median. The median is the middle value of an ordered data set. So we got 14 data points and even number. So the median is the average of the two middle numbers. So it's going to be two middle number, that will be the median. So first of all, I need to rearrange the data. To determine the median, we have to arrange the data in ascending order from lowest value to the highest value, small to big. So arrange the data. So first I'm gonna show you the median two method. The first method, position of the median. That I use the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. So the total number we have, there are 14 data points and even number. So 14 plus 1. So the 15 divided by 2, that's going to be 15 divided by 2, that will be 7,5. So now we're looking at the seventh value from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is going to be this 13. And the comma 5, that going to falls into the next value here, 36. So these two values in the middle, 33 and 36. Therefore the median will be, median will be 33 plus 36 divided by 2. If you got two values in the middle, then you have to take the average of these two values. The answer will be, I use my calculator, 69 over 2, that will give me 34,5. So this is my median. Second method. So must remember, you have to choose the one method. So you can either method, answer will be the same, or you can try the first method or the second method, which I'm going to show you now. You can use this one. This is more easy, right? So 14 value we have, so which means left and the middle and the right hand side. So the 14, which means 6 left, 6 right, 2 must be in the middle. That's for the 14 value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the median is 33 plus 36 divided by 2, 69 over 2, and I use my calculator, 34,5. So either way, answer is same. Now I'm going to show you the modes. Mode is 29, appears 3 times, you can see. So most often is mode. So the mode is 29. Now I'm going to show you the range. Range, maximum value minus the minimum value. Maximum I have 40, minimum I got 28. So answer is 12 centimeter. So this is my answer. Second question, he said the marks of 10 learners in a mathematics test are given. These are the marks. So calculate the mean, median, mode and range. I'll show you how to solve this question. So first of all, for mean, we don't need to rearrange the data, but for the median and mode and range, we have to rearrange the data from small to big, ascending order. So first of all, we need to calculate the mean. So the mean is the sum of all values divided by the number of values. So we got number of values 10. So we're going to add all of these values. 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14, so on. We're going to use the calculator. The answer is 148 divided by 10. So answer is 14,8. This is my mean. So first, order the data small to big, ascending order, 10, 12, 13, 14, so on. Now calculate the median. So this is an even number, 10 is an even number, so n is equal to 10, must remember. So now first method I'm going to show you, position of median. So we use the formula n plus 1 divided by 2. 10 plus 1, we got total number 10 divided by 2, 11 over 2. That will give me 5,5. So now we're looking the 5,5 in this data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth value is this one. And this comma 5 gonna falls into the next one. So we got two value, 15 plus 15. So the median gonna be now 15 plus 15 divided by 2. We take the average of these two numbers. So answer will be 15. So the median is 15. Second method I show you now. According to second method, we got 10 values. So which mean left, middle, and the right. So the 4 gonna be left, 4 right, and 2 gonna be in the middle, 10 values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 in the middle. So my median is, if 2 value in the middle, you must take the average. Both numbers you must add, divide by 2. The answer is 15. So this is my median. Either way, answer will be the same. You can choose either method. So now we need to find the mode. Mode is most often. So we got two numbers most often here. 15 2 times, 18 2 times. So we got two mode, 15 and 18. Range. Maximum value minus the minimum value. Maximum we got 18 and the minimum we got 10. This is maximum. 18 minus 10, the answer will be 8. So this is my final answer.